What's good, ladies? Okay, so today I am going to be sharing with you how to keep your hair hydrated and moisturized when wearing braids. So what you're going to need first to keep your hair hydrated is, of course, a bottle of water. Okay, so I'm just going to be showing you one quick demonstration. That's why I don't have a lot in here. And also you will need to make sure you have on deck your Hair Regrow length retention butter so that it can lock the moisture in after hydrating your hair with the water. And then of course you're going to need your braids. Now what I have done is I've already sectioned my hair. I like to plait my hair in little sections because I find it makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to undo my hair at the back, right? And then we are going to install one of these braids. So when I'm done unraveling all of this, we will definitely jump right into it. Okay, so now that I have taken down my hair, what I'm going to do is put my hair up, and I'm going to be demonstrating on this hair for you, okay? Now that my hair is all taken down, what we're going to do now is hydrate my hair. So I'm going to use my water and I'm going to spray. Ooh, a nice little amount right there. And then I will be using the Hair Regrow length retention butter here. And because it's a small amount, just on my nose, my hair on my nose, I'm going to use this amount and put it on my hair. So now it's nice and hydrated, curls are popping, and it's time to install the braid. So now that we've hydrated our hair strands, what I'm going to do is hydrate and moisturize this braid here, because I do not want this dry braid to be on my hair, which will probably suck out the moisture and the hydration that we've put in. So I'm going to moisturize my hair strand as well, so my braid. So we're gonna put some water on it, not a whole lot, and then have this amount and rub it between your fingers and apply it to the braid. We want everything to be nice and smooth so that it can run over the hair without snagging.
And now I'm about to install the Marley braids. Also, another benefit of hydrating and moisturizing the Marley hair before installing it over your natural hair is that with the synthetic hair being softened, it minimizes any damage that could potentially occur to the cuticles of your fingers. As for me, I typically find that when I do not follow this step, my cuticles tend to start cracking, and sometimes the hairs get caught in the cracks, which makes braiding very painful at times. So imagine if this is what is happening to my fingernails because I hydrate, or when I do not hydrate. Imagine what is happening to the cuticles of your hair if you do not hydrate the synthetic hair that you are putting on to your natural hair. It is not only going to suck moisture out of your hair, but it can also cause breakage and damage.
And that is how you keep your hair underneath your braids hydrated and moisturized. So I am going to make sure that I follow this step throughout my whole entire head, and I will be back to show you how lovely my hair is. So I hope you guys found this very informative, and you will be trying out our Hair Regrow length retention butter underneath all your braid styles. If you want to make sure your hair stays hydrated, moisturized, and protected under your protective hairstyle, definitely follow these steps using the Hair Regrow length retention butter.
Okay, and guys, just to show you that my hair is actually growing, because I'm telling you, shrinkage is real. And like I said, I'm in the process of installing some braids, but look at my hair, right? This is a braid, right? Let's just use that one. And we're going to stretch my hair down, and we're going to see that my hair literally comes to right here, right? So this is the length of my hair. But when you look at it, you would think her hair is not going anywhere. But here we grow. It's all in the name. We're here to help your hair grow and for you to feel confident again.